Hey everybody, in this video we're going to solve a supplementary angle problem. Okay, so come over here first and grab a pen or a marker. Alright, so what we know is that this first angle here is 120 degrees, okay, and this other angle is the unknown, okay, but because these two angles are supplementary, we know that they add up to 180 degrees, okay, so that means x plus 120 is going to equal 180. So that's going to be our equation. So it's going to be x plus 120 is going to equal 180. Right there in that box for me. And now all we have to do is solve for x. Okay. So the opposite or inverse of adding 120 is subtracting 120. So let's subtract 120 from both sides. And when we do that, 180 take away 120 is 60. So x equals 60. And that's our answer.